Are you worried that your finance job might disappear by 2030? The finance industry has always faced three critical challenges. First, inefficiency. The average financial analyst spends 40% of their time on data gathering and cleaning, tasks that add little strategic value but consume massive resources. Second, human error. A McKinsey study found that 25 to 40% of all financial decisions contain some form of bias or error, costing the industry billions annually. And third, speed. In today's markets, milliseconds can mean millions. Traditional analysis simply can't keep pace with the volume and velocity of today's financial data. But what makes these challenges particularly urgent now? The competitive landscape. Financial institutions that haven't embraced AI are already seeing their margins shrink by 15 to 20% compared to their AI-enabled competitors. So how exactly is AI transforming finance? Let's break down the three most impactful technologies. First, predictive analytics. Unlike traditional models that rely on historical data, AI systems can process thousands of variables in real time, from social media sentiment to weather patterns, detecting market signals invisible to human analysts. Morgan Stanley's AI platform now predicts market movements with 87% accuracy during volatile periods, a 31% improvement over their previous systems. Second, intelligent automation. Beyond simple task automation, modern AI systems can handle complex processes like loan underwriting and compliance monitoring. JP Morgan's Coin platform now processes 12,000 commercial credit agreements annually, work that previously required 360,000 hours from legal analysts. Third, personalized banking. AI has enabled hyper-personalization at scale. Bank of America's virtual assistant, Erica, has handled over 400 million client requests since launch, learning from each interaction to provide increasingly tailored financial guidance. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. In 2022, BlackRock completely transformed their wealth management approach by implementing their AI-powered Aladdin platform across their advisor network. Before implementation, their advisors spent an average of 17 hours building a client portfolio, with recommendations based on approximately 30 to 40 factors and historical performance. After AI integration, portfolio creation time dropped to under 2 hours, while simultaneously analyzing over 1,000 factors for each recommendation. The system could predict potential portfolio reactions to specific market events with 92% accuracy. The results? Client satisfaction increased by 32%, advisor productivity rose by 47%, and most importantly, average client returns improved by 3.7% compared to traditional methods. What's remarkable is that this wasn't achieved by replacing human advisors, but by transforming their capabilities. Advisors reported spending 60% more time on relationship building and complex strategy discussions, exactly the human elements that AI can't replicate. The finance industry isn't just adopting AI, it's being completely reshaped by it. The professionals who understand how to work alongside these technologies, focusing on uniquely human skills like relationship building, creative problem solving, and strategic thinking are the ones who will thrive in this new landscape. How is AI already affecting your role in finance? Share your experience in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, subscribe to Pink Coat Labs for our upcoming series on AI skills that every finance professional needs to develop right now. No hype, no jargon, just practical insights you can actually use.